Hello dear student, welcome in another series of this section. Next, in last video we have discussed about the laws of chemical combinations. We have discussed about two laws. One is law of conservation of mass and second one is law of constant composition. And in this video, we are going to discuss about the law of multiple proportions. And this law was given by John Dalton in 1804. Okay, in 1804, who gave John Dalton? And he stated that when two elements combine to form two or more compounds, less than two compounds should be prepared. Okay, when two elements combine to form two or more compounds, then the different masses of one element which combine with the fixed mass of other elements bear a simple whole number ratio with one another. Let us see the example. After example, you can understand better. Here, when carbon combined with oxygen form two type of oxide. One is carbon monoxide and second one is carbon dioxide. When carbon, example, when carbon combined with oxygen form two type oxide. One is carbon monoxide and second one is carbon dioxide. The ratio of in carbon monoxide, the ratio of masses of carbon and oxygen is equal to carbon 12, oxygen 16. 12 into 16. In carbon dioxide, the ratio of masses of carbon and oxygen is equal to 12 is to 32. Okay? Therefore, the ratio of masses of oxygen, therefore, the ratio of masses of oxygen which combine with fixed mass of carbon, fixed mass of carbon in these two compound is equal to, in this case, the 16 part of oxygen combined to 12 part of carbon, but in this case 32 part of oxygen combined with 12 part of carbon. That means the mass of one element, here carbon, is fixed. You can see here 12. That means the ratio of mass of oxygen are different here, but it is in a simple whole number ratio. Let us see here. In these two, here is 16 part, while in this case here is a 12 part or 32 part. Clear? And in a simple form, 1 is to 2, and 1 is to 2, which is a simple whole number ratio, which is a simple whole number ratio of carbon in both the compound. This is the law of multiple proportions and said Dalton that when two elements combine to form two or more compounds, then the different masses of one element which combine with different masses of one element. Here with different masses of one element. The mass of oxygen in both the cases are different. Here is 16 and here is 32. Okay? Different masses of one element, oxygen element, which combine with a fixed mass of the other fixed mass. The mass of carbon is fixed in both the cases. Other elements bear a simple whole number ratio, and you can see here it is a simple whole number ratio of oxygen combining in both the case carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, that means these compounds prove the law of multiple proportion. Let us see another example. When sulfur react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In sulfur dioxide, the ratio of masses of sulfur and oxygen is equal to, here sulfur is 32 part and oxygen also in 32 part. But in sulfur trioxide, the ratio of masses of sulfur and oxygen is equal to, in this case sulfur is 32 part, while the mass of oxygen here 48 part. 48 part. Okay? Therefore, the mass of oxygen which combined with fixed mass of sulfur in both the cases will be 32:48. Okay? Here, therefore, the ratio of masses of oxygen which combine with fixed mass of sulfur, that is 32 part, will be equal to 32:48. 32:48 divided with 16. 16 2s are 32 and 16 3s are 40. It is also in simple whole number ratio. It is a simple whole number ratio. Okay, once again this verified the law of multiple proportion. Okay, let us see another example, very important example, and we will not write the statement. Here see, when nitrogen combine with oxygen to form 5 types of oxide. Just see here, when nitrogen combine with oxygen to form nitrous oxide and O2, or you can write NO, nitric oxide, dinitrogen trioxide, dinitrogen tetraoxide, you can write as NO2 nitrogen dioxide, and N2O5 nitrogen pentaoxide. Clear? Here 28 part of nitrogen in all the cases are fixed, while the mass of oxygen are different here. Okay, so in this case the ratio will be 28:16. In this case 28:32, or you can write here NO 14:16. Okay, don't worry. In this case 28:48. In this case 28:16. 4 are 64. In this case 28:80. Clear? In this case you can also modify this 14:32. Clear? But it will be a simple whole number ratio. Let us see. The oxygen combined with fixed mass of nitrogen will be 16:48:64:80. And now convert into simple form. 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 64, and 16 5s are 80. Okay, that means this is a simple whole number ratio. Simple whole number ratio. Once again, this verified the law of multiple proportion. You can see here simple whole number ratio. Clear? Okay, dear student. So you will have to learn this definition and who gave Dalton, and the example you can easily verify it with giving example, another example like this. Okay, okay, thank you. In next video we will discuss about another law of chemical combination. Thank you.